I'll be sharing with you what EOBB is. The month of May holds particular significance as we commemorate the Ease of Doing Business Month. From red tape to red carpet, better business movement in a bagong Pilipinas.
Good morning, sir. Noy po, sir.
How was your overall experience din po sa serbisyo ng records?
Okay naman, sir. Mabuti naman. At saka, naasikaso naman maigi at saka mabilis naman yung pagbigay ng receiving.
Maraming salamat po sa iyo.
Sa experience ko dito po, every time na napupunta ako, kung may kailangan ako dito sa SIAC, okay naman, wala akong masabi. Naman sila, naka-assist sila sa akin, especially Architect Sheena.
Okay.
Yes. Siya po yung laging nag-assist sa akin every time na may kailangan ako. At hindi ako nahirapan.
We are here to ask you some questions for us to improve yung services ng SIAC sa mga locators.
Wala pa akong ibang maano kasi okay,
wala po kayo na-encounter na
mabilis.
adverse naman. Wala.
This observance is more than a symbolic gesture. It is a timely opportunity to reflect on the progress we have made in fostering a governance and service culture that is efficient, transparent, and citizen-focused.